Hey, what's going on YouTube? Before we get into the video, I just want to give a shout out to my girl Tunchi, bruh. If you an upcoming YouTuber, bruh, and you trying to find somebody to make you an intro, thumbnails, any of that nature, bruh, hit up my girl Tunchi, bruh. Hit up my girl Tunchi. This is her Instagram right here. This is her Instagram right here. Hit her up. Tell her Marcus sent you and she might give you a discount, my boy. Let's get right into the video. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Life with Marcus back with another video. Let me show y'all the little scatty scat. We're not gonna drive the scat today though, y'all, but y'all see the title of the video. We're going to pick up my new dog, Pocket Bully, baby, son of Pop Off, the famous Pocket Bully dog. We about to go crazy, dog. No cap. We about to go crazy, about to go crazy. I'm about to turn up, no cap. First kind of investment that I ever kind of did, and you know, I'm feeling good about it. And shout out to my boy Jay's Exotic Kennels, man, for looking out for the boy. I knew that man 10 years plus, man, like over 10 years, bro. Like for real, man. I known this nigga for so long, and I seen that he was doing it. People were telling me that I should do it, and I seen that he was doing it. And I'm like, I'm gonna talk to him first. I'm gonna see what he talking about. You know what I'm saying? Cause I seen he was doing it for so long, and I known him for so long. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna just see what he talking about with it. And sure enough, man, he was like, this is where it's at. So today we are going to pick up my new dog. Stay tuned.
Put that thing on him too, bro. You can have that. The Cuban.
Oh yeah, okay.
Clean feet straighter than a motherfucker. What you want?
Alright, y'all, we picked up the new dog. Everybody meet Prophet. Everybody meet Prophet. 2-time bait, 2-time pop off, and 1-time Miko. Y'all know what the fuck going on. My boy gonna be ready next month. Tap in. My boy gonna be ready next month, man. Y'all better tap in, man. Real talk. We getting it going, baby. We gonna get it going. Alright, y'all, we got the new dog at the house, my boy Prophet, man. He's inside right now playing with my mom's dog. We about to walk up in there so y'all can see. And they're playing.
Make sure the tested after that.
As your lawyer, I advise you to. That money would work well for Oswald.
I'm more interested in having it work for me. As the biggest rancher in the basin, you ought to take more interest in civic affairs. You see how our combined enterprise has brought prosperity to all of us. Now take my store.
Hey, boo. Yeah.
Yes.
You got a big brother?
Big finances.
What he means, Sampson, is that we're all interested in Roswell.
If you're looking for improvement, why don't you get a new sheriff?
I think he likes
Where's
me.
your civic pride, Jerome? Every town should have a monument to its past. We've got one that walks and talks.
Hey, I was looking for you. I have an appointment for you.
Oh, its founders there, the bank's closed.
Two babies.
Mr. Jerome, no, sir. Be glad to open up for you, Mr. Jerome. Be back later, folks.
I gotta get professional pictures of him. He said he's gonna be ready by like next month.
Come on, this is a celebration.
Ready for what?
Just like stud out.
I'll be right with you, Mr. Jerome. I just want to lock the door.
Bart,
Still, don't let anybody move.
What?
he trying to let him know, hey, this is my mom. That's why he keep coming right there in front of you like that. You remember when they told us about when they like to sit around your feet?
All right, drop that statue behind you. Drop it.
You'll be jealous soon.
You roars, you're gone crazy. Shut up, Clayton.
I said I need some more.
I know there's some more probably, but I can't see them.
There's one on the page. There's one over there.
That ain't what I do, man. That's it. You got that trait. Yeah. You got that trait. They get me rip that motherfucker. Oh.
Right, trying to hump him. He's been humping Nana all day. Right, trying to hump the dog. Lord have mercy. No, he ain't playing.
You think a better way to go?
Yeah, he been in the mood today.
He will until that dog say, hey, now stop.
What are those? No. With an appetite in my definition. Thanks. Yeah, I remember the first races in the valley. How does it feel?
Tell you, man, got the same thing you got.
Sheriff's got no friends.
Go my boy, got him a little play area, bruh. It's my boy. I ain't bro, don't lick the lid, bruh. Two-time bake, two-time pop off, one-time Miko. Just lock it in. My boy gonna be ready next month, man. He gonna be ready next month. Let's lock it in. 500 a stud. Let's get it. All right, y'all. I'm at Tractor Supply right now. I'm about to go get some food for my boy, man. My boy gotta eat, so I'm gonna go get that food for him. Maybe a leash and all that too. About to run up in here right quick. I'll get back with y'all.
Let's go. You touch me, you gon' die on the scene. I'ma pay me a lawyer, sit in the county. Yeah. You ain't built how I'm built, they ain't seen what I seen. I don't want